Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to uh, use AI tools. For example, we have this AI tool as Chat GPT, and we will first sign up Chat GPT. Simple. From top right corner of our tab, simple, we will enter our email address. For example, I'm using this email address. Okay, this one is okay. Then we will enter password. Continue. It's browsing. You can save your password, but I will not save my password. Okay, they asked to open it from Gmail account. That's fine. It will take some time for browsing. Yes, it's almost about to done. Okay, we can go to our email ID which we enter to use Chat GPT. It's browsing, so you can manage everything by using Chat GPT, like making your assignments, your some editing videos, may some voiceover by using Chat GPT. So it's really helpful for us. So here we go to our email address just to use Chat GPT. You can note your first name as I'm using my name, and last name, birthday, first, okay, Jan 07/11 6. Then we will select phone number. For example, I'm using your country, like this. We will get a code on our phone. Once you get a code, you have to enter it. I will resend code. Yes, 009. It's 009211. That's it. Here we have interface of Chat GPT. Let's go. Here you can ask any of your question. For example, we will enter it how to find landlords directly. Yes, here ChatGPT tell me about all the points from where we can target landlords directly. So simple, we can use ChatGPT like this. You can use you can find out any solution from ChatGPT. All right, thank you.